Alrighty, fan collectors, what we're looking at today is this 54-inch Monte Carlo studio ceiling fan. It's looks almost like a New-Tone Pro line. The finish, I believe, is called Roman Bronze. Yeah, it says it on the box. And that gets to my next thing. I've had this fan new in box for a few years. I got this 4 years ago, I want to say. So this is like the remake video of it. It is from, it says right there, come on, October 2015. Got all your tags on here, you know. It's got steel metal blades. Basically, this is like a bottom mount industrial fan, I guess, or a commercial grade, whatever. It's a pull chain. This brass thing here isn't original because the original one looked like that, broke. But yeah, looks like one of the really new New-Tone Pro lines, except it's bottom mount and it's just in bronze. But anyway, I'll show you the box here. I believe I got this out of a lighting showroom, which is no longer in business. Yep, Roman bronze. They have it in a ton of other finishes. White would have been nice, but I'm happy with the bronze finish that it came in. Alright, I will now put it on low speed. This thing gets up to speed pretty good, I guess, for having steel blades. That's something you don't really find in these newer fans I get that are like this, I guess. Blends in really well with my ceiling. It's pretty much camouflage now. Don't really have much to say about this fan, honestly. I believe these exact fans are underneath a different brand as well. Something lighting, as far as I know. I don't really remember, but so that's low speed. I'll turn it up to medium now. I have tested this thing in the past, and from what I recall, it moves a pretty good amount of air. A lot of other collectors say that these aren't that great, but this thing on high speed isn't that bad. It's not a bad air mover at all. I'm trying to think of what else it could be on par with. I don't know. I haven't really run it yet. All right, so here's high. There's a pretty good amount of air. It's not terrible. For it having the blade design, I would say it's on par with the new Tone Pro Line 3 that I have. Another thing I forgot to mention, this fan is also reversible. And I think for the sake of it, I'll just do a quick demonstration of it on reverse on high, but I'm not going to do any of the other speeds. I'll actually do spin down first. And when it stops, I'll put it in reverse and see how it performs in reverse on high. Yeah, there's another video of this thing somewhere deep in my old videos that I have on this channel. Having a sip of my water bottle. There's also more of these fans that are just like this out on the internet that like exist to like 72 inches, 56, you know, probably even bigger. These exact fans are like, they can go down to like 24 inches, I believe. They also have like blade kits on them too, just probably like that. They're probably just like this, and some of them even have cages around them from what I remember. But they're not made by Monte Carlo, I don't think. Probably made by the same manufacturer, but not made by Monte Carlo. I have no idea if this fan exists in smaller sizes or larger sizes. I really don't know. I think this is a nice fan. It's not terrible. A bronze finish in a fan is not really my favorite, but this is what was at the lighting showroom at the time, so I just picked it up because of for the sake of it. And I kind of wanted one of these at the time too. Alright, so it's stopped. Now I'll put it in reverse and see how it does. degrees-wise in reverse. I don't usually do this with any of my other demonstrations, but I've just kind of been curious since I've never had this thing run in reverse whenever I have it installed here. So I'm just seeing for the time being while I have it up in this video how the performance is in reverse. Alright, so I'd say that's up to full speed now. Getting the breeze off to the side is pretty good. It's not too bad. I would say it blows more in downdraft than updraft, but that's just me. Alright, so I will end the video here. You already saw spin down and forward. I'm not going to do it in reverse. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.